I'm about to share with you 4 things to watch out for to make your move easier on your pets. Before we get started, stay tuned after the video to get an opportunity to order a free copy of a report entitled 17 Tips to Make Your Move Easier on Your Pets. Moving can be hard on everyone involved: adults, kids, and yes, even your pets. While your pet may not understand exactly what's going on, they can sense the stress, good or bad, that the whole family is experiencing. Naturally, we always want to keep our pets happy and healthy because we love them, but we also want to lessen the chances of their acting out. Animals, just like people, can behave rather badly when under stress, and so we need to do all that we can to help them feel secure throughout the moving process. Tip number 1. During the packing process, try to keep your pet's daily routine as close to normal as possible. Adhering to their usual feeding, exercise, and bedtime schedule is important. Leave a couple of empty packing boxes open on the floor for your pet to explore. Allowing your pet to familiarize themselves with these new, strange objects will prevent them from being afraid of them. Tip number 2. On moving day, it's best to remove your pets from the house before you start moving your possessions. Allowing your pets to roam free in the house while the front door's propped wide open and people are rushing in and out, lugging boxes and furniture, just creates a recipe for disaster. If it's not possible to remove your pets beforehand, then you should select an empty room, with a door, to safely house them for the day. Place their food and water dishes, toys, bedding, and litter box in the room with them. Many pets find the background noise of a radio comforting, and it helps to muffle some of the loud and unsettling noises that come from moving heavy furniture and boxes. Tip number 3. Before releasing your pet into their new backyard, take a quick safety check. Is the fence in good shape? No spaces for your pet to wiggle through or under? Can your pet reach the neighbor's pet through the fence? And if so, is he or she friendly? Are there any sharp objects that could pose a hazard to your pet? After running through all of these checks, be sure to leave a large, cool bowl of water for your pet and spend some time just sitting in the backyard with them. As promised, if you'd like to order your copy of the free report entitled 17 Tips to Make Your Move Easier on Your Pets, please click the link in the description. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share it. We'd also like your comments. Now, if you'd like to talk to us directly to discuss how our house hunting service takes the guesswork out of finding just the right home that matches your needs and your pets as well, give us a call at 514-629-3739. We look forward to hearing from you.